This presentation is about using AWT controls in APACHE NetBean IDE, Integrated Development Environment. So for that, first we have to open the APACHE NetBean. So here we have to start a new project. So file, new project. So we have to start a new Java application, and then we have to give finish. So a new Java application file will get open. In this Java application file, we are going to create a new JFrame program. So for that, first we have to select new JFrame form. So we can give the name for the form. So the JFrame form will get open. Here in this palette, we will be having many controls: swing containers, swing controls, and swing menus. So first we have to choose the AWT controls. For that, we have to choose a label box. The aim of this tutorial is to calculate the addition, subtraction and multiplication mathematical operations for any two numbers. So in order to find that, we are designing our page. So this is a label box, and we are placing a text field, and we are placing another label box and another text field. To show the result, I am placing another label box and a text field. So for the mathematical operations, we are choosing buttons. Button 1 for addition, button 2 for subtraction, and for multiplication and for division. We are placing 4 buttons. So in order to change the properties of the label box, we have to go for the properties, and we have to choose label option, text option. So here we can type number 1. So we are going to get number 1, and the next is number 2, so I want to make my text field empty. Again, text field 2. We have to remember the names of the properties for the codings. Here this is text field 1. If we want, we can change this name. So text field 1 is this first text box. This one is the second text box. For this button, we are going to change the property as addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. So we can change the properties of this button. The label option, we can give addition, add. So subtract, multiply, we are going to change these options. This label box will be the result. This label box will be the result, and this text field, we are making it as empty. So now when we give two numbers, our program should calculate the result, and it should find the display the result in this text field. For that, we are going to write a coding in the button click event. When I click the button, so this the entire coding page will look like this. We are going to give this coding. So for that, we are going to declare two numbers in a float variable, number 1, number 2, and the result as a float variable. The text field 1 dot get text. This method will accept the input of the text, and it will convert it into the float. And the next variable number 2, and we are going to add these two results and store it in result. These are command lines, and we are going to display the result as set text method and string dot value of result. So the value of result we are going to display. So this coding we are going to give it in the button click event. So in the button click event, I have given this coding. For addition, I am given result equal to num1 plus num2. So this will be the coding page, entire coding page. Whatever we have designed will be displayed in this page. So this will be the designing page, coding of the designing page, and in this button click event we have given this coding, and in the second button click event I have given the same coding, just I have changed the symbol as minus, and for the multiplication we have changed the symbol, and for the button for action performed we have given as division. So when I run this program, the program is executing. I will get this screen here when I give two numbers 6 and 3. So when I add I will get the result, and when I subtract and when I multiply and when I divide we are getting this result. So we can give float numbers also, since we have declared the variable as float. So we will be getting this output.